How can I fix uneven skin tone? Now, uneven skin tone is caused by pigmentation on the skin, which can be due to over sun exposure. Also, it can be hormonal issues as well. And sometimes it can be down to what we're also using on the skin, which can cause a level of oxidation, which causes dark marks on the skin. Now, what has worked greatly for me is my natural formulation, which I use with coconut oil and shea butter with frankincense and lavender. It's important to get the formulations right. My product is EU safety approved, so there are formulations, so it's not just a matter of just whipping them together. But if you use a natural emollient, even if it's a basic a virgin coconut oil mixed with shea butter, you'll find that slowly but surely you can actually go about to unevening the skin tone. And if you research the type of oils that you can use that can actually help to lighten the dark marks and even out the skin tone, and you're getting the formulations right, that can actually speed up the process. Also, to fix an uneven skin tone, it's important to have a level of SPS protection, and a natural solution would be to use raspberry seed oil. Now, raspberry seed oil can protect the skin, and you can add that to your natural emollient, and that can be used every day, which is natural and healthy, and there's no adverse effects in using that day by day. But watch the video that I have uploaded on YouTube called What the Health Next. That will give you some information and a lot of insight into how sunscreens can cause more harm than good, and it's important to get the right type of SPF. But grapeseed oil is a natural solution that you can use in your natural emollient that you can use daily.